Yesterday
sucked.
I dropped my bike, I got hurt, she got hurt, and we're about to do a little bit of damage assessment. Not excited about it. I dropped it. Stupid mistake. Very simple mistake to make. We're gonna go do some damage control right now and see what's going on with her. It didn't seem too bad, but let's go. I'm grateful that I had this engine guard on. So we're gonna go ahead and fix it because it's crooked and tighten everything up. Took the hit like a champ. You know what I'm saying? Grateful for that. The front brake, not a big deal. And then on the lamp. Could be worse. Hurts my feelings. But you live and you learn.
So you guys saw that we had a rough day yesterday, but the purpose of today's video is just to let other beginner riders know that you're probably gonna drop your bike and it's gonna be okay. It's gonna suck, it's gonna hurt your feelings, and it is what it is. That doesn't mean that you have to stop riding. Even if you hurt yourself, it's gonna suck, but you gotta get back on it. And I'm glad that I don't feel scared of my bike. I'm glad that I don't feel scared that I'm gonna drop it again. It is what it is. So what happened was I was coming up to a stop, and I really wasn't going very fast. I was coming up to a stop just like this. Right before I put my feet down, I think I might have just grabbed that front brake a little too hard as I was completing the stop. So by the time I got my right foot down, the air filter was already like on top of my knee. And I was going down. It was one of those like slow falls. In all of that, I must have fell directly on my elbow, because it definitely looks like a chunk of skin is gone. But yeah, it was like something so small, and it just ruins your whole day. So I'm a little banged up where I got hit with the air filter and just my elbow, but other than that, I'm good. The engine guard pretty much just ate up that fall. So I'm grateful that I put that on, and it's gonna stay on for as long as it makes me feel comfortable. So you guys have seen me take this ride before, and if you haven't, I'm gonna link it up here or up here, I don't know. You guys go check it out. My very first moto vlog. To take this ride just to build up my confidence a little more, especially after yesterday. I feel like even as an experienced rider, if something like that happens, you still got to build up your confidence a little bit. Yeah, I think especially as a beginner, it's important for me not to let something like that hurt my confidence. I want to take a familiar route, take some photos of my bike, and yeah, that's what I want to do today. And I love this ride. I love the views over this bridge right here. It's really beautiful. It's not as sunny as it was the last time I took this, but it's definitely nice enough to be out on the bike. Beautiful, guys.